Let's be honest. Some days I look like this. My house looks like this. My children are like this. And you gotta feed them. This is my lazy girl chili recipe. It is really, really easy to make. It's quick and it actually tastes really good. To make the laziest girl chili ever, all you need is cans. And I'm an idiot and I recorded me putting everything in the pot, but it wasn't recording. So I'm just gonna tell you what cans to put in. So what you want is 2 cans of mixed chili beans. Don't drain these, you need the liquid from these. A can of black beans, you don't have to drain this one. 2 cans of kidney beans, drain these ones though. 1 can of drained sweet corn, 2 cans of tomato sauce, 1 can of diced tomatoes, and 1 can of diced green chilies. Then you want a half a cup of ketchup. Squirt, 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 put it in. Pretend like I didn't forget to film. And then you want 2 to 3 tablespoons of chili powder. I usually do 2.5 tablespoons. Get a spoon, mixy, cover it, and cook it on low while you make the meat to put inside the chili. If you want to be super lazy, you can cook this in the crock pot, cook it for 8 hours on low, or you can be extra lazy like me and make it 30 minutes before your kids have to eat. I always use ground turkey in my chili. So to cook it, get a little bit of olive oil, some minced garlic, I just take a spoonful, and a whole sweet onion. Saute it, and I use 2 pounds of ground turkey. I get the 99% lean ground turkey because it has higher protein in it. Flavor it with salt and pepper. I'll cook the turkey completely and then add it into the chili. While the meat is cooking and the beans are simmering, I'll make some cornbread to put into my chili. Today I'm using the cornbread from Trader Joe's. I also have used Jiffy. The Trader Joe's cornbread is actually pretty good. The turkey's done, so now I'm just gonna dump everything into the pot of chili, cover, and cook it on low for about 30 minutes. Here's your dinner.
Wait, you made me dinner?
I did, obviously. Okay, this is my lazy girl chili, because I was tired and I didn't wanna feast over the stove, so you had to tell me your honest opinion.
What's the white stuff?
I put Greek yogurt in it because it's healthier. Yeah, and I like to scoop, like mix my cornbread into the chili. Yeah, I make it like a oatmeal kind of consistency. Honest opinion though. I know he's been hungry.
Yeah.
He doesn't eat throughout the day. That boy works so hard. He does manual work. He's on his feet all day long. And so he comes in, he gets so hangry. So what do you think?
I love it. I like the cornbread.
The cornbread's good. It's a Trader Joe's cornbread. It's good.
I'm surprised it's not Kirkland. Kirkland cornbread good?
I don't like the cornbread at Kirkland. I like the Famous Dave's they have there. But I don't like the other. It's like the Crusette or I don't know what it is.
Yeah.
And I put Greek yogurt in instead of sour cream, and it actually tastes so good.
I honestly can't tell the difference,
Yeah, you
and so
can't.
that's probably a good thing.
Yeah, it's extra protein. This is packed with protein though because it's beans. And I just ask, please don't.
Shoot.
Because I know what beans do to you. I like it. Oh my gosh.
That hamburger?
No, it's turkey. The Greek yogurt in it. Like, I was shocked. I've never put Greek yogurt in it. Every time I put Greek yogurt in something in substitute of sour cream, I really, really like it.
It's really good.
Yeah.
I think that's tasty.
Yeah.
You make good food.
All it takes is like 30 minutes and then it's done.
Can I put another muffin in?
You have as many muffins as you want. Yeah, don't be shy. Don't be shy. If you're looking for the laziest meal that tastes delicious and gives you a lot extra, try this out. I obviously don't eat the whole thing, so I'll put it into the storage bags and then freeze it. And so when I want to be extra, extra lazy, I just pull it out, thaw it, and then warm it up again. Greek yogurt, I'm telling you. If you've made it this far into the video, do me a favor and give this video a thumbs up. Liking it really does help out my channel. And if you have recipes that you are dying to share, email me. My email is in the description and I might just make a video. Thank you so much for watching. And if you liked this video, be sure to check out these. See you guys next time.